Take the food out of your pocket and put it on the table. All right, mark, release off the pressure, go get the treat, go back, do another rep. But more importantly, another way to get your brain off the food or the toy is the release is the most valuable reinforcer you can give your dog, right? So that should be what you're focused on. Marking, releasing. Now remember, the goal is for the dog to feel good, right? For us to say the pressure cues something positive. So if pressure cues something negative, like less going, or then we're adding pressure to pressure from the dog's perspective.
Close. Yes.
He's choosing to bounce. I'm not telling him. He knows this game.
Yes.
So I'm moving closer and closer, but incrementally, right? Again, I am not of the mindset of I need to get all the way up to the barrier. No, I'm of the mindset that I need to create a positive relationship with pressure. I want my dog to be right over and over. We are not adding any pressure to this at all. Initially, if the dog even orients towards it, meaning just looks at it, you're going to say yes, release off the pressure, reward. You're going to try to get the dog to move a tiny bit closer on each rep. The goal is to improve attitude and comfort. The goal is not touching the object. The goal is getting the dog comfortable around the object or person.